Okay, I'm walking into Park MGM from the garage. The best place to park, if you're gonna park in the garage, is on the second floor because the bridge leads straight into the casino. Let's walk in. And straight down these escalators is the lobby. Make sure I don't fall down. Today is Thursday, so people tend to check in on a Thursday, so it's really quite busy. We're actually coming up to the concierge desk, so there's a lot of people checking in. This is what it looks like when you actually get down the escalators. Here's the bell desk. And to my left is Primrose, and they have kiosks where you can actually check yourself in. So here are people doing that. Let me get around these people. There's a lot of people today. Thursday is a check-in day, so here's the bar of Primrose. It's probably about 4 o'clock, so people are already starting to drink. This is the self-check-in kiosks and the gift shop right behind it. And here's the concierge desk. And to my left is the corner store, which is a jewelry store. We're walking in the casino. I really like Park MGM. It's kind of small, it's rectangular and really easy to navigate. This is the center bar. There's a lot of machines. Let's walk to House of Gaga. Okay, this is the Park Theater. This is where Gaga has residency, Aerosmith. And right next to the theater is House of Gaga. Let me stop for a second and just kind of pan the casino. It's busy. It's Thursday. Thursday is the check-in day. People usually check in on Thursday and check out on Sunday. So this is House of Gaga. It's free to go in. I'm not going to go in, but I'm just going to pan, show you what it looks like. And here's the restaurant. It's called Lala Noodle. And if you walk out this way, it goes right out to the strip, to Las Vegas Boulevard. And up there is Italy. They have one in New York. And it's just like a bunch of different, I'm not gonna say kiosks, but different places to eat all in one location. It's Italian. So you kind of just go around, pick what you want to eat. And over here is Asian food. It's called, I'm just walking around, you guys, and bumping into people. It's called Best Friend. And next to it is Mama Rabbit Bar. Hopefully you can see it in the background. And that's Park MGM. This is why I like this casino so much, because it's so easy to navigate. It's just kind of a huge rectangle. And let's walk over here. This is On the Record. I'm walking up to it now. It's a night place. Music, bar, drinks. And I'm walking up to Juniper, which is also another bar lounge. And that's pretty much Park MGM. And this is Italy. just a bunch of stuff that you can pick from. Pizza, wine. A lot of people today. Here they just... It's kind of like a... They have one in New York as well. It's kind of like a upscale food court. That's a really bad way to describe it. But I say that because you can just go around and choose food from different establishments. Here's some of the food you'll find at Italy. It's really quick and easy stuff to pick up.